Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the Euro Yen is definitely trying to turn down, but it's not turning down at a Fibonacci retracement level for the weekly, and it's definitely not breaking any structure. So this move down probably is just going to end up being a pullback to this last move up, and eventually it will likely make a higher low. How big of a pullback, we don't really know. It could just be a little pullback like that. It potentially could turn into a much bigger pullback like that. We don't really know. But anyways, we do need to keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely still up. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely zoom out quite a bit on the 1 hour, and I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole series of higher highs, higher lows. Because if this really is a pullback to the whole move up, which the move up is 5 waves, so likely it is a pullback to the whole move up, then it will probably stretch out for quite a while, lasting several days, maybe going down to like the 50 to 61%, but really keep an eye on any of these levels before it actually ends up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.